Hi guys, if you want to put alternating colors and alternate rows, let's say you want to put alternate colors and even rows, so that's it looks aesthetic and solves many purposes. So how to do this? It's very simple. What you can do, you can just select the whole column, okay, and then click on format and then just click on alternating colors, and here it is. Now there are different styles. If you select header, that means the header will be selected with a different color which is showing at the top, and rest are with two different colors, okay, slight dark and white. So you can choose different styles, whatever suits you. Once you have selected it, you can also tweak that. Let's say you want to have alternating color as this, you can choose this, or you can click on the plus sign and choose whatever suits you. Okay, now once you have done that, you also have an option to add footer with a different color. That is also possible. Now once you have done that, click on done, and that's it. This is like this. Thanks for watching. Please do like.